Have you ever finished a meditation session feeling deeply relaxed, only to later face unexpected anxiety or unsettling emotions? What if I tell you meditation, often praised as a miracle cure for stress, could actually be both healing and harmful, depending on how you practice it? Today, we're uncovering the science-backed truth about meditation's double-edged nature. You'll discover when it transforms lives, when it backfires, and exactly how to tailor it for your personal growth. Let's dive in. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, but only recently has science begun to unravel its profound effects on our well-being. Let's explore some of the scientifically proven benefits of meditation. 1. Improved emotional regulation. Meditation has been linked to enhanced emotional regulation, which leads to increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, an area associated with emotional control. This improved regulation can help individuals manage difficult emotions more effectively. 2. Stress reduction and anxiety management. Numerous studies have shown that meditation can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels, reducing symptoms of depression. The practice helps regulate the body's stress response by lowering cortisol levels and activating the parasympathetic nervous system. 3. Enhanced cognitive function. Scientific evidence suggests that meditation can boost cognitive abilities, improving working memory and reading comprehension. Additionally, research has shown that long-term meditators have increased gray matter density in brain regions associated with learning and memory. 4. Pain management. Meditation has shown promise in managing chronic pain by reducing pain intensity through activation of brain regions associated with self-control and pain regulation. This non-pharmacological approach offers a valuable alternative for those seeking pain relief. 5. Improved sleep quality. Mindfulness meditation can also help improve sleep quality in individuals with sleep disturbances. The practice helps calm the mind and reduce rumination, leading to more restful sleep. Meditation delivers powerful benefits, but like any tool, it carries risks if misused, especially when overdone or practiced without guidance. Today, we'll explore the science-backed dangers you need to know. 1. Depersonalization and derealization. A study conducted by Jared R. Lindahl and colleagues in 2017 explored meditation-related challenges in Western Buddhists. It found that some individuals experienced distressing episodes of depersonalization and derealization. These experiences sometimes persisted even after the meditation session ended. Some meditators reported feeling detached from their own body or mental processes, as if observing oneself from the outside. Others felt that the world around them was unreal or dreamlike. In more severe cases, individuals described a complete loss of sense of self or identity, often accompanied by intense fear or panic. These experiences sometimes persisted for days or even weeks after meditation sessions, causing significant distress and interfering with daily functioning. 2. Anxiety and panic attacks. While meditation generally reduces anxiety, paradoxically, it can sometimes induce anxiety or panic attacks in certain individuals. A systematic review by Miguel Farias and his team in 2020 reported that anxiety was the most common adverse event in meditation practices. Participants described experiencing sudden onset of intense fear or discomfort during meditation sessions. These anxiety episodes often included physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat, sweating, trembling, and shortness of breath. Some individuals reported feeling overwhelmed by existential thoughts or fears of losing control. In more severe cases, these anxiety symptoms escalated into full-blown panic attacks. 3. Resurfacing of trauma. A study published in 2021 by Willoughby B. Britton and colleagues found that meditation could trigger the resurfacing of traumatic memories or experiences. Participants reported vivid flashbacks or intrusive thoughts related to past traumas during meditation sessions. These experiences were often accompanied by intense emotional and physical reactions, such as fear, anger, or physical pain associated with the traumatic event. In some cases, this resurfacing of trauma led to increased symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, including nightmares, hypervigilance, and emotional numbness. 4. Physical discomfort. Extended periods of sitting during meditation can lead to physical discomfort or exacerbate existing musculoskeletal issues. A study found that some meditators experienced pain or discomfort, particularly in the lower back, knees, and neck. Some individuals described numbness or tingling sensations in their limbs, which sometimes persisted after the meditation session. In more severe cases, participants reported exacerbation of existing musculoskeletal conditions or the development of new physical ailments. 5. The present focus paradox. While mindfulness meditation emphasizes focusing on the present moment, some critics argue this approach may have unintended consequences. By constantly redirecting attention to the now, practitioners might inadvertently neglect important aspects of cognitive functioning. A study by Haffenbrack and Voss, published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, found that mindfulness meditation could reduce motivation for completing future-oriented tasks. The researchers suggested that the present focus of mindfulness might decrease future planning and goal-setting behaviors. Moreover, constantly returning to the present moment might limit reflection on past experiences. While rumination can be harmful, constructive reflection on past events is crucial for learning and personal growth. By always shifting focus to the present, individuals might miss opportunities to analyze past mistakes and plan better strategies for similar future situations. Some psychologists argue that a balance between present focus, past reflection, and future planning is essential for optimal psychological functioning. They suggest that while mindfulness has its benefits, it should be practiced as part of a broader cognitive toolkit rather than as an all-encompassing approach to life. 6. Meditation addiction. While it might seem counterintuitive, some individuals can develop an unhealthy dependence on meditation. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions uncovered a surprising phenomenon: meditation addiction. Researchers found some individuals became so dependent on meditation that they used it to escape real-world responsibilities and emotional challenges. Signs of meditation addiction can include neglecting important life responsibilities and experiencing anxiety or guilt when unable to meditate. Other indicators are using meditation to avoid dealing with difficult emotions or situations, and social withdrawal or isolation to spend more time meditating. Researchers emphasize that while meditation is generally beneficial, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach. Meditation should enhance one's life, not become a substitute for living it. If you find that your meditation practice is interfering with your daily responsibilities or relationships, it may be time to reassess your approach or seek professional guidance. Now that we've seen both meditation's light and shadow, you might be wondering, how do we harness its benefits while steering clear of the pitfalls? The answer lies in intentional, science-backed strategies that adapt to your unique mind and lifestyle. Research shows that starting with just 5 to 10 minutes of guided meditation helps your nervous system adapt safely. This gradual approach reduces risks like depersonalization or anxiety spikes by letting your body adjust naturally. Working with a qualified instructor is particularly valuable if you have a history of trauma or mental health concerns, as they can tailor techniques to your needs. Stay attuned to your mind and body's signals. Keep a simple journal can help to track patterns and adjust your approach. Remember that meditation is just one tool in your wellness toolkit. Pair it with movement, social connection, and proper sleep for truly sustainable growth. If certain techniques feel unsettling, don't force it. Switching to grounding practices like loving-kindness meditation often helps. The most impactful habit is consistent, mindful experimentation rather than rigid adherence to any single method. So where does this leave us? Meditation is neither a magic fix nor a danger to avoid. Like any powerful tool, its impact depends on how you use it. The key lies in mindful adaptation. Start slow, listen to your body, and don't hesitate to seek guidance if something feels off. Remember, personal growth isn't about rigid rules, it's about finding what works for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever faced unexpected challenges with meditation? Or did it surprise you in ways you never imagined? Share your story in the comments section below. Your experience could help others on their journey. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, science-backed growth strategies. Thank you for watching.